Today, BangMung is gonna teach you how to clean your KSG. Ah, yeah!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Howdy folks, welcome back to BangMung, where today we got the KSG. Now, I totally hit every shot with this, totally. But now, after we nailed every shot 100%, we gotta go ahead and give this dirty fella a nice little bath, yeah. So, what we got here is the fella, as expected, can you not fucking see? So, rack this going to the back. We're gonna go ahead and see if I can actually see this barrel here, because it's a bullpup, so, well, actually we can. There's a bit of crud in there. Go ahead and, I mean, it's obviously clear, that's why I have it racked and you didn't see any shell or anything pop out. So, you can see a bit of crud down in that big old bore. So, let's go ahead and tidy this homie up. Right here, right now. So, what do you do when you have a big boy bore and you have a big boy gun with a big boy can of oil? Well, you reach in here and you get Big Pete Randy Boy. You get this fucking dog toy chonker ready. Yeah. Jump rope, jump rope, jump rope, rope. Jump rope, jump rope, jump rope, rope. Fuck. So take your oil and you give it a nice liberal dusting, a little pre-squirt there. And you take the boy. Now, I'm kind of curious as to how this works. I think I've only cleaned this once and I forgot how to do so. So we're just gonna slide him down here and oh, it just slides out somewhere. Right there. Funky little guy, funky gun. And just give it the old tugga. Give it the old tug like a ah! Well, that could have been horrible, but it wasn't. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. The old tugga. You're gonna hear my lap here, so it's easy. There you go. Hey, did you hear that noise? Like a sounded like it was getting sucked up in a vacuum. Wow. So give it a tug. This is a finicky guy, just like the company who makes them. They make the hideous weapons. Yeah, that's right. That might make it easier. Oh, it's giving birth. It's giving birth. Oh. There we go. Now that was certainly an endeavor. Load it back up here into battery just to ensure that we're good here. Lower it back down. And I don't think this needs a second round, so we're going to go ahead and take a first look into the boy. Oh yeah. All that weird crud that was in there, gone. Gone like a dad that doesn't want to pay child support. Hell yeah. Let's go ahead and get to the oiling of the outside, but we're missing a crucial part. You know what it is. You know what we're doing. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Yeah. Doing that again. And again. And again. And again. There's nothing you can do about it. I just dry fired that so many times. You can't do anything. You just gotta sit there and suffer with what you've just witnessed. I love being the villain. It's the fancy oil boy from ages and ages of gun cleaning throughout the years. Oh, I might have had it up my butt there, but you'll never know. We're gonna go ahead and give the big squirt. Big squirt for big boy gun. Now that's one side done, so we're just gonna go ahead and give a couple squirts there. You don't ding. And just rubby bub. Rub it like you're wiping your ass. You should be very familiar with that, unless you're a very cretinous person. Then in that case, I think you might need some help. But there you go, just rub it up. And we even go on this side. Yeah, give it a How dare you get stuck under the gun? Give it a bit of a rub here. You know, a little oil goes a long, long way. You know, you gotta use the good. Where the fuck did that go? Fuck.
Thanks.
Alright, I'm gonna make sure this actually hits this time. It did. And then a little squirt there on the stalk. And then rub it around just like before. There's really not a whole lot to this guy that I can really say other than sparkly clean my boy. I don't really even need to oil the action all that much because it's still a pretty much brand new gun. Like, I got a brand new one on the pawn shop there. Like, this guy has only been shot once, so I don't really need to mess with it too much. Well, twice now because of the video, but before that I only fired it once to make sure everything worked, and yeah, there's your cleaned KSG. That's it. Go home. Alright, well, I do hope you enjoyed watching me clean this here big old KSG, or little fella, I don't know what you want to call it. I mean, small but mighty, you know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the first introduction of Big Pete Williams, or whatever I called this big chunky guy at one point. I don't remember, even though it was like 5 minutes ago. But yeah, big fella, clean fella, freshly cleaned bore, and freshly retarded guy, and I am the greatness that is soon to be BangMung. And I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta!